I sit and think back on everything, I wouldn't change one single memory. But with time I found this is one I'll count. When you walked away from me. Far as I can tell, you both been doing well. Back to where I started, broken open hearted. I can't count the times that you have crossed my mind. It's not actions I regret, it's words I never said that I regret. I never said. This is my one regret. One day I'll think about my dreams of you and I. No, I fought for each one, but then I'll say one did get away, and I will cry. Oh, 'cause your love had he won. Far as I can tell, you both been doing well. Back to where I started, broken open hearted. I can't count the times that you have crossed my mind. It's not actions I regret, it's words I never said. I never said that I regret, but I never said. This is my one regret.
Do you remember when we used to run away through the night? There is a story about us two, and it's written about me and you. Nothing can bring us down, 'cause we are together now. Not even time can stop us now, 'cause we are forever young. 'Cause we are together now. 'Cause we are together now. 'Cause we are together now. Nothing can bring us down. 'Cause we are together now. 'Cause we are together now. Do you remember how we used to run against the morning sun? There is a place where I wanna go, where it all started a long time ago. I remember the days, and it all comes back to me. Every time I go to sleep, you're lying me. 'Cause we are together now. 'Cause we are together now. Nothing can bring us down. 'Cause we are together now. Not even time can stop us now. 'Cause we are forever young. 'Cause we are together now. Nothing can bring us down. 'Cause we are together now. 'Cause we are together now. Nothing can bring us down. 'Cause we are together now. Not even time can stop us now. 'Cause we are forever young.
When I sit and think back on everything, I wouldn't change one single memory. But with time I found this is one I'll count. When you walked away from me. Far as I can tell, you've both been doing well. Back to where I started, broken, open hearted. I can't count the times that you